Today we're going to get that rear exhaust lined up, which includes getting the body on and aligned. The deal with the body is once we get it over, is you have to right here pull the sides out. So I think what we might have to do is go front and back, carrying it over the wall, getting it through, come around, drop it, then grab it by the sides, flip it this way, come in, and then pull a little bit to get it to somehow fit around this. That's kind of the idea. So yeah, we're going this way. Good.
Just like being in a band.
Marching band. All right, so you ready to drop?
Yeah.
Okay. Need help?
Yeah.
Okay. Go for it. Man, is it dirty.
Where's our center?
Back here.
Oh, there's that one. It's okay.
All right.
Easy. This is our dragster body.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me where.
Keep going further back.
Back.
Back, back. All right, we just gotta watch the brakes.
Where am I setting here?
I think it's outside. It's outside. Let's strap it down a little bit. Can you grab something thick over there, because there's a problem with this hitting maybe even thicker or two pieces. We got to get it off the EFI system. There you go. That's probably good. I need to prop it right. That's good. Okay, let's work on this. So we need to, let's see, this goes behind the firewall,
Okay.
which technically would be right here,
All right.
because the firewall's here, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, welcome to the channel about kit cars and other car topics. If you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the notification buttons below and share with others on social media. So as you saw in the last video, we got the engine finally in its place that it needs to be by spacing it out an extra ½ an inch. And now what I need to do is get the headers on the car, get that exhaust system lined up, because I think I'm going to need extra spacers, and I need to get those ordered. So even if I can't install it today, I can at least figure it all out and get that stuff ordered and sent in. And then we're gonna get the back end of this car hopefully dialed in and get those tips of the rear exhaust aligned with the rear brake lights. And so let's give it a shot and go from there. So it's going to be the moment of truth. We're going to try to see if this new drive system that I came up with is going to fit. So from the block it says 6.84. My system right now is coming out about 5 inches, maybe 5 and a 32nd. So that gives us 1 inch and 84 if I'm going to shoot over. 1 inch and 84 that I need to come up with. So my way of doing that is putting 1 inch and 84 on a piece of paper. So let's pop this in. 84. Let's say 7 divided by 8. So 7/8 is 8/5. Let's try 13 divided by 16. So we'll go 7/8, 1 and 7/8. So now we wrap this around. So if I shave down this neoprene rubber a good 1/4 inch, that will give us some breather. And then we should be good to go. That's super tight. Now, I don't know how much the engine's going to move forward, probably not much. Torque left and right, yes. So, we will take pictures of this and see. So we ran into some issues. Mainly, this is actually holding this up because otherwise it'd be running into this. So it looks like I have to carve out a little area here to get this to come down, because right now the frame is sticking out from underneath the body, which it shouldn't be. You can see the front is actually doing pretty decently, about 1/8 of an inch, but this is way off. And so I can't really mount the final positioning of my whole back end until we get this clearance issue carved out. And so I'm going to have to do that. And then there's also an area that I have to carve out for my seatbelt harnesses. But I think I'm going to wait a later time. Right now I'm more concerned about getting the body fitted correctly. So we need to cut that out. And while I'm going to remove the body to cut this outside, we might as well get some of the holes carved out for the door hinges and such. So stay tuned till next time and have a great day.